small she is compared to the pillow. That's a pillow. That's her. We got her just today. Did you hear her snore? You're silly.